Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Megan.
And I'm Ciera. For today's video, we are doing a video that's basically 2 years in the making. And that is our full updated house tour.
I just went back and rewatched our not move-in video, but like we did an empty house tour when we first bought this house. We've been in this house for just over 2 years now. And honestly, just about every single thing we said we were going to do in that video, it's been done. So we figured
like there's not hardly a room that has not been touched.
Yeah.
Like everything's been painted basically. Everything's updated
and obviously we've done a lot of videos related to like the different changes we've made to the house. But we thought it'd be fun to just like do like a full house tour with like walkthrough and trying to link and tell you where as many things are from as possible.
We might
within a reasonable time frame.
Yes. We'll also try and like link, like hopefully my plan is for the description to have like room by room links to stuff we can find links for, and then also like if there's a video related to like a makeover for that room, then I'll try and have that linked as well. But yeah, we're basically gonna take you through floor by floor and give the rundown of what we've done.
Just like our original house tour, I feel like we should start, where we started last time. That's just in the entryway of our home. We've done nothing really except for paint this place, but let's go check out the office. So our office has turned into our podcast studio. If you guys don't know, I don't know how you wouldn't, but we have a podcast. It's called According To. We post the video version on YouTube, and this is the lovely background that viewers get to see every week when they see our videos, see the podcast. Over on this side of the office, we did the DIY desk thing that we had mentioned in our original house tour. Surprisingly, somehow, this house had an extra cupboard in the storage room, so that's where this is from. And then we purchased this giant butcher block countertop from like Home Depot or something, I don't know exactly where, and our dad helped us assemble a desk. So we don't use this a whole lot, but it does come in handy. We do some editing in here, and also we need it for storage. On the first floor we have this half bath. It's already pretty well updated, so the only thing we really did in here was paint the walls a different color. We did try to put some art up here, but they kept falling down, so maybe eventually one day that will happen, but this is the half bath. Coming into the kitchen, we have not changed anything in the kitchen. It came updated. We didn't need to paint anything because obviously the backsplash just is what it is. So this looks pretty much the exact same as when we first moved in. Up next we have our kind of garage entryway area and our dining table. We have this nice small table we got off of Facebook Marketplace. Ciera and I have updated the light fixture. This is from Menards, I believe. And then we always love to have just a nice vase of flowers as often as we can, because it really does, like, if that's not here, the space is not at its full potential. And then these dining chairs we got off of Amazon, and this jute rug is from Target. I ordered it online. Over here, we've had this wall mirror for quite some time, and it's from Target. This is from the store At Home, and we use it to store all of Vegas's like leashes and dog stuff in there for the most part. And then we have just like a plant, a candle, a tray to set various items on. So that is the entryway area. Arguably, Ciera and I's favorite part of the main level is this bookshelf. The bookshelf itself is from Nathan James. They have really good furniture. We have a few different pieces from there. And like it's the perfect style where I feel like it's open enough, it doesn't like block off the space, but it does help kind of separate the living room area from our dining area, and it just fits the wall perfectly. And Ciera and I love our books, so we're always rearranging things. There's been vlogs where we'll do some rearranging on here if we get new books and things need to get moved around. And we also have had to create more places in our house where we store books because this is getting too full. All right, next is our living room area. It's also kind of, you walk right on through to get to the upstairs. We have a nice large TV. I do not know how big this is. And then this coffee table was actually a find off of Facebook Marketplace, but I feel like it kind of matches the rest of the space pretty well. This couch is from Homemakers, and I am not sure what the brand is. And then this is Vegas' little corner. In a purely aesthetic world, this would not be here, but Vegas' crate needs to go somewhere, and previously we had thought maybe we'd get like a reading chair or something to put here, but right now it's just not happening because Vegas needs a crate, and this is where it's at. So we have a little thing of his toys right there too that we try to at least keep things somewhat clean. And then this is what I call Vegas' comfort lamp. It's obviously it's been with us since our freshman year dorm, but sometimes we like to keep this on during the day just so Vegas has some sort of light if everything else is turned off. You will find that artwork like this is a common theme throughout our house. These are from Etsy, and they came printed and framed like this already. And Ciera and I really liked them, and we found them like right away when we moved in, and we feel like they complement the green accent wall nicely.
We are now in our basement. I'm going to kind of run through things like kind of quickly because we just did a whole series updating and finishing our basement. So all those videos will be linked down below. But here is our awesome new movie space. First area we walk into is the main seating area. This table here is from Amazon. This burnt orange couch is from Albany Park. Okay. And then again, all the artwork here is from Etsy. The artwork down here is very book inspired, and so all these are like, I think there's 2 Sarah J. Maas prints and then 1 Taylor Jenkins Reid print. But we actually framed these ourselves, so don't ask about where the frame was from. We have these cool little lights above all the artwork. These are all from Amazon. Okay. They just tap to turn on. I think the battery for this one is dead, but the other 2 work. We have our projector on this wall. It's got a button that we can press. It's all hooked up to the electricity, and so that's kind of nice. It makes us feel like nice and professional. And then around the corner, so coming past the couch, this built-in shelf was already here, and we originally didn't know what we wanted to do with it. We found out that it kind of made the perfect storage spot for some of our games and our puzzles. Those were originally upstairs on the bookshelf, but then the bookshelf started to get really full, and so we needed a new place to put it. And it kind of matches the vibe of the basement being like the hangout fun zone. So puzzles and games down here. This art print, I'm not sure where it's from. Our mom gave it to us as a present, and I'm not sure where she got it. Coming back this way, we have our second seating area. This is for like if you're eating or just like if you're playing a game or something. This would be the area to do it. Both these chairs and the table are actually from Facebook Marketplace, so I don't know the actual brand of these pieces. Same art that I was talking about. I can actually show you how the battery power works. And then over here, we didn't do anything to update like the cabinets or anything. We did get a microwave, we got a mini fridge for some drinks, and we usually just keep like snacks and stuff stored up here. And then, second little book area. So Meg and I decided that the books down here would be like all of our sci-fi and fantasy books, and so we're still in the process of trying to fill these shelves with a bunch more books, but this is what we have so far. It's still kind of a little bit under construction as far as what future books we want to get and like how we want to organize it all. I think all like the little knickknacks and stuff on this shelf are probably from Amazon or Target, and the shelves themselves are from Amazon, I think. And then, not as exciting because we haven't done much to the basement bathroom, but it is finished. We didn't touch the paint here. We just kind of got some stuff from Target to make it a usable bathroom. So some towels, a little throw rug, and something to make it smell nice. Nothing too exciting. Okay, last area. That's not very exciting, but we did show you guys the storage room when we first moved in. This is what it looks like.
So now it's full.
It's still acting as storage. We actually did clean up in here not that long ago because it was like the shelf. We have so many shelves, like it's such a huge space. And tell me why everything was sitting on the floor. I don't know. So we came down here a couple weeks ago and cleaned it up. Alright, we are now on the top floor of our house, and this has all the bedrooms and some bathrooms and the laundry room. So I'll show you guys the guest room first. Alright, so here is the guest bedroom. This is the one room that Ciera and I decided to put a little more color into it, and it serves as a guest bedroom and Ciera's extra closet. So, the bedding is from Amazon, like a duvet cover. This is
Target, I believe. A bunch of extra pillows and whatnot. The artwork, we ordered frames separately. The artwork itself is prints that we got from Etsy, I believe. And these were inspired specifically by a picture we saw on Pinterest. So that's how we got this print, and then that one we just found as one that matched the vibe. And then we also had our dad's help to put some molding and whatnot on the wall to customize the space a little bit more.
Not for the faint of heart.
Do not look too close at it, okay? But it adds a nice extra zhuzh to the space. This nightstand is quite old. It's from our mom's house, and it is from Home Goods, I believe, is where I got this one. These plants, while they look nice in here, these were originally in Ciera's room, and Vegas kept like chewing on them, so they came here for refuge. They are from Amazon, I believe. All right, laundry room is also upstairs. It's just a tiny little laundry room, but it's enough space for us to do laundry and us to fit our drying rack. And this was already here, so I don't know where it's from, but it's the perfect little storage thing for us to keep our detergent and whatnot.
And now we make our way around to my room. I actually do have a full video on me making over this space. It is my absolute little sanctuary. I just feel so at peace in here. Obviously, main colors, white, gold, yellow. Just makes me feel so relaxed. I did switch out my bed for a lower soft frame bed when I redid the space, and I just like the lower profile because my room is a little bit smaller, at least compared to Megan's. Like, I needed something a little bit lower to make the space feel larger. This blanket is from Anthropologie. This white duvet cover, I don't know where it's from. It's probably from Amazon or something. And I don't know where these pillow covers are from either. I'll see if I can find it. This nightstand is from Nathan James. It's got some storage underneath here where I just store all of my crap. This lampshade is from Target. Wall art from Etsy. This mirror, I think, is from Amazon. And then I have a shelf in my room with some knickknacks and then also like my favorite books. I think the shelf is from Amazon, but I will try to figure out more specifically if I can to link it. But it's just like a small little leaning shelf. I thought it fit nicely in the space here. And again, needed some more book storage. Okay, not super exciting, but I feel like kind of proud of my closet since we moved in. It is like it's not a small closet, but like I had a lot of stuff. Like if you guys saw my closet at my apartment before I moved here, it was a very large closet. And so I was like, how am I gonna fit all my stuff? And I do use the closet across the way, so let's be clear. But I've got a command hook on here for some bag storage. I keep my laundry basket on the floor. So the rods are from Target. I have a like hanging shoe rack and then a hanging clothing rack. Those are both probably from Target as well. And then some bins on the top for like my swimsuits, socks, bras, underwear, all that good stuff. And then some extra shoes on the floor as well. And I think some clothes that I don't have hangers for. So I feel like I did a pretty good job. This has fallen apart a few times, but like I can always reassemble it, so it's fine. Okay, now we come across the way into my bathroom. Again, I have a whole video about this bathroom makeover, but I wanted it to match my room because even though they're not connected, I want it to feel like, you know, still my space. So lots of white and yellow in here as well. Pretty much everything in here is from Target. Shower curtain, rugs, towels. These shelves are from Target. This plant is from Target. I think this is from Target, and then I just got like my most used products up here. The little like nice smelling things. My bathroom smells fresh. And that's pretty much it. Painted it white. Alright, we are on to the last space of the house, which is my room. I have done a video where I was making my reading corner, and I've also done a video redecorating my room, so Ciera can link those down below if you want to see the process. But first I have my TV. I honestly almost never use my TV, but luckily the previous owners had a TV mount here anyways, and so, you know, here it is. I just don't ever really use it. I have had this floor mirror for quite a while. I got it when we had our apartment. It's from Target. Curtains and stuff I believe are also from Target. I have more opaque ones as well as some sheer ones just to like make it look nicer. Alright, here we have my reading corner. I use this every once in a while. I did use it more before we got Vegas. Vegas loves this chair though. So let's start with the chair. I got this off of Amazon. I really like this chair. It's very comfortable and it was worth the money, I think. This blanket is from Target. This print, I bought the print off of Etsy and then I had to print it myself. And then I have this little canvas hanger thing
probably from Amazon or something. This lamp back here is from Target. There's actually like a little foot pedal that you use to turn it on and off. And then here is my book storage for my room. This cart is from Target. This plant is probably from Target. And then it just has some of my most favorite books / the ones that I bought, where I felt like it would make sense for me to store them in here. Then we have a little side table in case I were to be drinking something and I need somewhere to set it down. This is from Target, so are the coasters. And then, as I said, was a theme throughout the house. We have more artwork. These are also prints from Etsy. They came framed. Love it. Fake plant is from Target. I've had it for a while now. We had it in our apartment. This lamp is from Amazon. This, I don't know where it's from, but it's probably from Amazon. It was a Christmas gift from like a year or two ago. My nightstands on both sides are from Nathan James. And then my bed is from Mr. Kate. I believe I got it off of Walmart.com. And then I just have my bedding's pretty simple. Duvet cover is from Amazon. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Let's go to my bathroom. All right, next we have my bathroom, which is connected to my room. I actually just recently did a little makeover in this space, but I didn't do any specific video for it. Got a new shower curtain. It's from Target. Basically, just like Ciera's, everything's from Target. This is Target. This is Target. All the rugs and stuff are from Target. And then I hung this little hook up here just so it could keep my robe and towel within reach. Over here, I got this shelf off of Amazon, and I just thought it'd be super easy and convenient to have something like this to store all of my products so they're easy to reach. And I do really like having this. I keep my headbands on there. It's been a good system for me. And last but not least, we have my closet. It is just off of my bathroom, and it's, you know, I do my best. I definitely have a lot of space. Whether or not I optimize it to the best of my ability, I don't know. I did just recently organize and rearrange some things. So I added, since moving in, this thing is from Target. These are like my most reached for bags that like I just want easy access. And I tend to like folding my clothes more than hanging them up, so that's why I recently like did some rearranging so that I could do more folding. But yeah, that's kind of the closet, and that means we are done with the tour.
So there it is, our full house tour. We are just so in love with the space that we've turned this house into. It feels very us, and I feel very at home here. Obviously, hopefully after 2 years, you know, we've made it our own. If you guys have any other questions, like about where we got something and we didn't mention it, then comment down below. We can try and see if we remember and if we can kind of point you in the right direction that way. But I think that's all for this video. So we will see you guys in our next one. Bye.